Do you ever wonder what makes some women absolutely unforgettable to men, the kind of woman who stays on his mind long after she's gone? The truth is, making a man miss you isn't about manipulation or games, it's about energy, presence, and confidence. When you know how to tap into that, you become magnetic. Every text, every laugh, every glance lingers in his memory. He starts to crave your attention, your voice, your presence even when you're not around. In this guide, we're going to uncover 9 powerful secrets that will make him miss you like crazy. These aren't just random dating tips, they're proven psychological triggers that spark attraction and emotional connection. Once you understand how men think and what truly captures their hearts, you'll never have to chase anyone again. Instead, you'll naturally draw him closer, making him want to be part of your world. Each of these secrets is designed to help you build a connection that's real, deep, and lasting. You'll learn how to balance mystery with openness, confidence with warmth, independence with intimacy. When you apply them, you'll notice subtle shifts. His texts come faster, his calls last longer, his eyes linger a little more when he looks at you. He'll start thinking about you first thing in the morning and last thing before bed. But remember, this isn't about pretending to be someone else, it's about unlocking your most captivating, confident self. The goal isn't just to make him miss you, it's to make him realize that you're the one he doesn't want to live without. So, take a deep breath, get comfortable, and get ready to discover the art of making any man miss you like crazy. Men are naturally drawn to mystery. It's part of their instinct, they love to explore, discover, and figure things out. When you bring a little mystery into your connection, you become that irresistible puzzle he can't stop thinking about. Being mysterious doesn't mean being distant or cold, it means allowing him to wonder, to be curious about you, and to slowly uncover who you are. When he doesn't know everything right away, his imagination fills in the gaps. He starts wondering what you're doing, who you're with, and what's going on in that beautiful mind of yours. That curiosity keeps him engaged and makes him crave your presence even more. To add mystery, start by creating space. You don't need to reply to every message instantly or be available every time he calls. Let him wait sometimes, not as a game, but as a natural boundary that shows you have your own life. When you're not always there, your absence becomes noticeable, and he starts missing you. Keep some details about your day or emotions to yourself, let him earn the right to know more about you over time. Also, be mindful of what you share online. If he already sees every detail of your life on social media, there's nothing left for him to discover. Post selectively and leave room for curiosity. And most importantly, let him chase you. Men love the thrill of pursuit. When you let him make the effort, he invests emotionally, and that investment deepens his attachment. Being mysterious doesn't mean hiding who you are, it means revealing yourself gradually, layer by layer, so that every time he learns something new about you, he feels lucky to have gotten a glimpse into your world. One of the most attractive qualities a woman can have is independence. When a man sees that you have a full, vibrant life outside of your relationship, it instantly makes you more appealing and desirable. It shows that you don't rely on him to fill your world with meaning, instead, you bring your own light, energy, and excitement into his life. Men are drawn to women who are passionate, ambitious, and socially connected. When he sees that you have goals, friends, hobbies, and things that make you genuinely happy, it makes him respect you and want to be part of that world. He starts to see you not just as a partner, but as someone who inspires him. Showing him that you have a life doesn't mean ignoring him or acting too busy on purpose. It's about balance. Spend time with your friends, nurture your relationships, and continue doing the things you love. Maybe it's going out with your girlfriends, working on a creative project, or focusing on your career goals. Whatever fuels your spirit, keep doing it. When he notices that you're fulfilled and confident on your own, it creates a magnetic pull. He'll miss you when you're not around because he knows you're out there living fully, not sitting around waiting for him. Having a life outside of the relationship also keeps things fresh. You'll always have new stories to tell, new experiences to share, and new sides of yourself for him to discover. That keeps him intrigued and emotionally invested. The truth is, confidence and independence are irresistible. When you're happy with your own life, you naturally make him want to be part of it, not because you need him, but because he feels lucky just to be included. When it comes to building a strong connection with a man, one of the most powerful things you can do is take a genuine interest in his life. Men love when someone truly listens and cares about what excites them. It makes them feel valued, respected, and seen. When you show curiosity about his passions and hobbies, you're showing him that you care not just about the relationship, but about who he is as a person. Whether it's his favorite sport, his job, a hobby he loves, or even a dream he's working toward, showing enthusiasm for the things that matter to him will deepen your bond. If he loves sports, for example, ask about his favorite team or how the last game went. If he's passionate about music, ask for his playlist and really listen to the songs he recommends. When he talks about his goals, encourage him. These small gestures may seem simple, but they create a sense of partnership and trust. He begins to feel like he can be himself around you, that you understand him and genuinely care. But it's equally important to give him space to enjoy his interests freely. Don't try to change him or take over his hobbies. Let him have his time and his world. This balance of interest and independence makes you stand out. You're showing him that you care, without trying to control. And when he's doing the things he loves, he'll think about you, the person who supports and believes in him. Every time he talks about something he enjoys and sees your eyes light up with interest, it strengthens his emotional connection to you. That's when he starts missing you, not just because of how you make him feel, but because you truly see him for who he is. Playing hard to get isn't about pretending or playing mind games, it's about understanding your worth and showing that you won't settle for less than genuine effort. Men are naturally wired to pursue what they value, and when something comes too easily, they often take it for granted. But when you create a sense of challenge, when he has to put in time and energy to win your attention, it triggers his desire to invest emotionally. The key is finding the perfect balance between being available and being independent. You want to show interest without being too eager, and give attention without giving it all away too soon. Start by pacing the way you respond to him. You don't have to reply instantly every time he texts. Let him wait a little and wonder what you're up to. When you do talk, keep the conversation warm and engaging, but don't let it drag on forever. Leave him wanting more. Also, don't always be the one to initiate plans. Let him take the lead sometimes, it gives him the space to pursue you, which keeps the excitement alive. When you stay focused on your own goals, friendships, and hobbies, you naturally become more desirable because you're not centered around him. Playing hard to get also means setting standards. Know what you want and don't be afraid to express it. Confidence and boundaries make you unforgettable. When a man feels like he has to earn your time and attention, he values it so much more. The thrill of the chase isn't just about the gain, it's about admiration, effort, and respect. When you master this balance, he'll be hooked, always looking forward to the next moment he gets to be with you. Ending the conversation first might sound like a small thing, but it carries a powerful psychological effect. It creates curiosity, builds anticipation, and leaves him wanting more. When you're always the one to keep the conversation going or to text again after it fades, you might seem too available, even if you don't mean to. But when you gracefully end the conversation first, whether it's through text, phone, or face-to-face, you send a subtle but strong message, you have things going on, you're confident, and you're not waiting around for his attention. That quiet confidence is incredibly attractive because it keeps him wondering what's next. When you end a conversation, do it naturally and warmly. You don't have to cut him off mid-sentence or act disinterested. Wait for a good moment, maybe after a laugh, a compliment, or a light-hearted exchange, then wrap it up by saying something like, "I have to run, but I'll talk to you later." This leaves a positive impression and lets him linger on the moment instead of dragging it out until it feels dull. It's about leaving him smiling and thinking about you even after the conversation ends. This tactic works because it builds emotional tension. You're giving him a taste of your energy, but not the whole thing at once. When he realizes that your time and attention are valuable, he starts to crave them more. He'll check his phone waiting for your next message, or replay your last words in his mind. Over time, these little moments of mystery and anticipation make him more invested. Ending the conversation first isn't about playing cold, it's about being confident enough to leave him wanting more, and that's exactly what will make him miss you like crazy. Keeping things fun and light is one of the easiest yet most powerful ways to make a man miss you. When a relationship or connection feels joyful and easy, it becomes something he looks forward to, something he craves after a long day. People are naturally drawn to positivity, and men are no different. If he associates you with laughter, good energy, and light-hearted moments, you'll naturally stand out in his mind. He'll miss you not just because you're beautiful or kind, but because you make him feel good every time he's around you. Playfulness creates emotional chemistry. It doesn't have to mean cracking jokes all the time, it's about teasing him in a flirty, gentle way, sharing little inside jokes, and being spontaneous. For example, send him a funny meme that reminds you of a conversation you had, or playfully challenge him to something, like who can find the best coffee spot or the best playlist. When you bring a sense of fun into the relationship, it breaks down tension and builds comfort. He starts to feel more at ease around you and enjoys your presence even more. But keeping things light also means not overanalyzing every message or conversation. Don't pressure him for constant reassurance or turn small misunderstandings into big issues. Instead, focus on creating moments that make both of you smile. When you're relaxed, positive, and confident, your energy becomes contagious. He'll look forward to your next conversation, your next laugh, your next moment together. Over time, those joyful memories will become his favorite thoughts, and that's exactly what will make him miss you when you're not around. You'll be the calm, fun, irresistible presence he can't stop thinking about. Happiness is one of the most magnetic qualities a person can have. When you're genuinely happy, you naturally attract people toward you, including the man you want to miss you. A woman who radiates joy, confidence, and peace has a glow that no makeup or outfit can replace. It shows that she's in control of her life, that she doesn't rely on anyone else for her sense of fulfillment. That kind of energy is irresistible because it feels authentic and refreshing. Men are drawn to women who are comfortable with themselves, who know how to smile through challenges and focus on what makes them feel alive. When you prioritize your happiness, everything about you changes. The way you walk, talk, and laugh carries an effortless confidence. You become the kind of person who lights up a room just by being there. And when a man sees that you're happy on your own, it makes him want to be part of that happiness, not the source of it. That's a powerful difference. He'll admire you, respect you, and chase the feeling of being around you. Start by doing things that genuinely make you feel good. Spend time with people who lift your spirit, pursue your passions, and take care of your mental and emotional well-being. When you invest in your own joy, it radiates outward and influences everyone around you. A woman who is happy from within doesn't have to chase love, love naturally finds her. And when he's not with you, he'll miss that warmth, that laughter, that light energy you bring into his world. Happiness is not only beautiful, it's magnetic. When you're happy with yourself, he'll always want to come back for more of your glow. At the end of the day, making a man miss you isn't about tricks or games, it's about embodying your most confident, radiant, and self-assured version of yourself. When you truly understand your value, you stop chasing love and start attracting it naturally. Each of the secrets you've learned, being mysterious, independent, playful, confident, and happy, works together to create something powerful, the energy of a woman who knows her worth. That kind of woman doesn't beg for attention, doesn't cling to anyone, and doesn't lose herself in the process of loving someone else. She knows that real attraction grows when both people are free to be themselves. When you carry yourself with this kind of quiet confidence, you'll notice the shift in how men respond to you. They'll lean in more, listen more closely, and want to spend more time with you. They'll miss your presence when you're not around because being with you feels effortless and real. You become someone unforgettable, not because you're trying too hard, but because your energy lingers. You've shown him that you're the kind of woman who adds value to his life just by being in it. So as you move forward, remember that the true secret to making a man miss you lies in staying true to yourself. Keep nurturing your happiness, your passions, and your peace. Don't lose that sparkle just because of someone else's attention. The right man will notice it, cherish it, and chase it. You don't have to prove your worth, you only have to live it. When you do, you'll never need to wonder if he misses you, you'll know he does, because you'll be the one he can't stop thinking about.